Introducing the TRX800 from Wuboweld, a revolutionary new and smarter approach to welding protection. The TRX800 smart welding helmet and filtration system is the most versatile, mobile, and convenient welding protection ever created. The TRX800 consists of a revolutionary design filtration system and smart welding helmet with features that make the traditionally sluggish, heavy, and expensive systems a thing of the past. Illuminate your work with a built-in rotatable light, allowing for greater focus and visibility. Listen to your favorite music and take calls with built-in rechargeable battery-powered speakers. See everything with the widest field of view on the market in clear, true-to-life colors. The TRX800 features universal lens sizes, 4 darkening sensors, and a solar-powered lens battery to provide maximum convenience while covering your whole head for maximum safety. Connect the smart helmet to the portable filter to cycle fresh filtered air while you work. The revolutionary new design of the air filter makes it the most convenient and useful on the market, while also being the most affordable and available. While traditional filtration systems are heavy with large, uncomfortable belts, making them inconvenient to wear, the TRX800 weighs 30% less, making it the lightest and most portable on the market. It's almost as light as wearing a measuring tape on your belt. Regain the ability to comfortably move around with excellent mobility from the compact and lightweight filter and hose design, allowing you to work in tight spaces and awkward angles with absolute ease. Say goodbye to expensive product-specific filters. The TRX800 filtration system features a universal welding filter connector to save you money on unnecessarily expensive filters that only work with one product. With the TRX800, you can use common welding filters found at any hardware store without sacrificing air quality, making welding cheaper and more accessible. The quick release system allows for rapid suit-ups, making the TRX800 super portable and convenient to use. Adapt to any situation with the variable fan speed control.
As a professional welder, the current helmet and filter setup I use is just too heavy and inconvenient. However, the Wuboweld's TRX800 has made welding far more easier and comfortable for me than ever before. From being able to listen to music and take phone calls, being able to illuminate my workspace, being able to weld far more comfortably, the TRX800 has changed the way that I weld.
This is the TRX800, the most ultimate and revolutionary new form of welding protection. Make welding easier, cheaper, and more accessible than ever with the Wuboweld TRX800. And thank you for supporting us.